All right, so it's a beautiful Saturday. It's hot as hell out here, but nothing's gonna stop us from working on this beast. Well, it's a better picture or better view today. Last night was all dark. We were washing it and stuff, but I'm about to repair that right there. It's a big crack in the body. Somebody already tried to repair it, but they did it all wrong. They tried to repair it with Bondo. That ain't gonna work. Fiberglass. About to do some fiberglass work. But it's a little view, a little quick view for transformation. I ordered the switch already. It's coming from Amazon. Found it for 13 bucks. Next day delivery. Look at that. Well, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the rebuild. Have some work ahead of us, but you know, nothing that we can't do here. Old Man's Garage. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button. Alright guys, we're back at Old Man's Garage. Working on the golf cart today. We kind of missed recording the top teardown part, but This is where we're at on it. Yeah. Oh. That's all it is. There it is, guys. We got a little bit more body work to handle on this spot. I don't know if you've seen the first part of the video. It was all cracked up here. Had a little accident, but kind of repaired that. Little fiberglass work. All right, so there it is. We pulled the front end off. We're about to take the rear end off. We're gonna wash everything, pressure wash it. It's a bunch of webs and dirt and all that stuff. I mean, it's getting there. Old man's garage. What we do.
White white with the black on just cause it look nice. Simple nigga. The when they fit together and look clean. Some niggas stressing for designer, bitch, I'm stressing for the cream. This cash still rules the fucking world around me. Young nigga, old head, got it from some OG. You hear me? Bitch, I said cream. This cash still rules the fucking world around me. Look, so now you niggas catching. So the paper niggas stop. Cause I'm really looking past them. I like gassing on the beat. Cause I need this shit in fashion. Like I said, I'm just a simple nigga. So let me not start spazzing. I be riding through the city. Smoking weed, bitch, I'm confident on this map. This big blunt run like a city. Let you dig a nigga's style. Cause I'm poet. Like a poet with my words. I get a wet. It's like the ocean. I be lotion. I'm flowing. Look, gone.
All right, guys, it's painting time. Today, we're gonna be shooting some Raptor bed liner texture to this golf cart we're building. Putting in the hardener, 8 ounces, that's what it's called for. So, let's do the mixing. Yeah. All right, we're back at Old Man's Garage. Well, yesterday when we were picking up that golf cart that we found on OfferUp for 150 bucks, we also found some wheels, some ITP wheels. So I just finished masking all 4 up. I'm about to paint them black, flat black, but I'm gonna give it a coat of primer. So check it out. Little ITPs, aluminums. Got 10 by, what is it? No, they're actually 20 size 20 tires by 10 by 10s. So these are gonna go on the golf cart with the 6-inch lift. So stay tuned.
Baked. Blasting like a goon, fuck me up with all the shrooms. Lady grip losing my view, too much red and too much blue. Blasting like a goon, fuck me up with all the shrooms. Lady grip losing my view, too much red and too much blue. Hardest work we settle down till the ground we get down. Talk that paper one and now, double time the same amount. All these hoes be acting foul, man, this world is spinning out. Lots of G and Bean, rest in peace, shooting shots, Kobe. Man, I get it on me. Lonely scouring for a newly booby, that'd be lovely. Shooting for the stars, all up on the moon, catching all the views, getting lost, need a blues clue, chasing all these bitches too. But fuck that, other bullshit causes life is fucking ruthless, all around death news we getting used to. What it do, smoking every day, running through these fucking plays. Always kept the lobby on that piece of play. Smoking was only that dank, Mary Jane, what can I say? I'm a killing with the fucking flame. Yeah. You know, it feels like I'm on Netflix on season 2 on the Narcos, you feel me? But I feel it on the weed and shit. Throwing shots up to the face, throwing all up in the sink, jump right back up to the same. When the homie screaming, yo, yo, hippie bean. Yeah, I tell you what it is, all the drugs up in no head, twisted straight, don't make no sense. Running up the street, sniffing Z, kept it lit the cream, never too discreet, walk around with blood on my feet. Swear to God, my mind ain't stable, so I either gotta ride to the beat or beat up on the table. Stay yelling so big, it's the brand and the label. Working hella hard, I ain't clocking in, looking for longevity within. Rarely shit you gonna win, getting his or hers, always working in the dirt. Took a little break, feeling like I'm forcing all these words, cruising on the 10 in my headspace, barely pray, hoping he will understand my faith. In the minivan, smoking all my pain away. Blasting like a goon, fuck me up with all the shrooms. Lady grip losing my view, too much red and too much blue. Fuck.
Alright, so we decided to go with the winch right here in the front. I guess there was a little bumper thing, plastic thing, whatever it is, that was here. Took that off, trashed it, I made a custom plate that we're gonna use to bolt the winch with today. Sorry that we didn't record me making it, but here it is. Check it out. Painted, ready to bolt on. It's a little basic bracket. It's gonna go just like this. So I'm gonna shoot some quick paint on that, black paint, and quick paint. I just want you to see a little bit of aluminum sticking out from the winch. I want everything to look black. So that looks good enough. Look at that. What a difference. Just like that. Ooh. Straight, let's see. Yeah. There it is. The winch bracket, custom made by Old Man's Garage. So the winch bracket is on. Check it out. We're about to put or install the winch that we got from Harbor Freight. Check it out. 3,500 pounder. I mean, it's a little bit over the top, but you know what? If you're gonna do some, we're gonna go over the top and do it right. Alright, we're back once again. We're just going to give you a quick follow-up what we've done off camera since the last thing we were working on. I guess it was the winch. We were installing the winch bracket. We bolted it up. Now we got the top on. It's all sprayed with Raptor spray liner. Check it out. Check all the detail out. Top, underneath. We mounted the steering wheel. New steering wheel and adapter. We've been working on the sound system. Got all that in. Some USBs. Charging port. Check it out. Light switch for the LED light bar in the front. Man, we upholstered the seat. We did it. It's all black vinyl. I was gonna do it in leather, but I couldn't find the material, so that's all they had was vinyl. So if it starts cracking, I'll redo it later. But we got the review mirror. This thing's coming out good. We're still about 90% done. It's just a little minor detail we need. Got to finish up the back bumper. I'm going to wrap it all in diamond plate and then spray it on with this Raptor spray liner. The back seat, the cover, windshield, lights in the front. We're gonna mount those things up. Just stay tuned. Make sure like, subscribe. Old Man's Garage. Peace.